Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning all, welcome to the Phonetics and Phonology class with me, Anisah Durrotul Fajri home as the lecturer. So today is the second meeting of this class. Before we start, let me read the class description for the second meeting. Since our RPS is in Bahasa Indonesia, allow me to switch to Bahasa Indonesia in describing what we are going to do in today's class. The first, CPL dari mata kuliah ini adalah mahasiswa mampu memahami pengetahuan tentang struktur bahasa Inggris dan bahasa Indonesia, kecakapan berbahasa, tata bahasa Inggris, tata bahasa Indonesia, linguistik umum, penerjemahan, sastra Inggris, dan ilmu sastra. Kemudian CPMK dari mata kuliah ini adalah mahasiswa mampu memahami articulatory phonetics, acoustic and auditory phonetics. Kemudian sub CPMK dari mata kuliah ini adalah mahasiswa dapat menguraikan aspek fisik bunyi or physical aspects of speech, sound, or acoustic phonetic. Kemudian materi untuk mata kuliah pada hari ini adalah Acoustic Phonetic, the physical aspects of speech sound such as their frequency, intensity, and duration. Okay, so moving to the material, Acoustic Phonetics or physical properties of speech. So, do you have any idea what are the physical properties of speech sound? Can you imagine or can you see? How can speech sound have physical properties? Anyone can mention what are the physical properties of sound? Anyone can see or can touch it? No, of course no, but we can hear it, right? So we have one of our sense here, the ear, that can observe by listening to the sound, right? Now, to be able to know the shape or the form of the sound you hear, you need to understand the key concepts in acoustic phonetics. So, there are 4 acoustic properties of speech sounds, which includes the frequency, time, amplitude, and formant. Now, the first one here, you see the frequency. As you see here, there is one cycle or one wave here. It's called one frequency. So frequency relates to the individual pulsation produced by vocal cord vibrations for a unit of time. A speech sound contains 2 types of frequency. The first one is fundamental frequency or F0, and then this fundamental frequency relates to the vocal cord function and reflects the rate of vocal cord vibration during phonation or pitch. And the second type is formant frequency, which relates to vocal tract configuration. The next one or second properties is amplitude. As you see here, amplitude is marked by darkness of the bands. The greater the intensity of the sound energy presents in a given time and frequency, the darker will be the mark at the corresponding point on screen. And then the third property is time. Time as a property of speech sound reflects the duration of a given sound. And then the last one of the property is formant. A formant is a concentration of acoustic energy around particular frequency in the speech wave. There are several formants, each at a different frequency, roughly one in each 1,000 Hz band. To put it differently, formants occur at roughly 1,000 Hz intervals. Each formant corresponds to a resonance in the vocal tract. Now, after understanding the key concepts in acoustic phonetics or knowing the properties of speech sound, then how can we visualize these properties? Sound has no shape, as you know. It is a sound. There is no shape and cannot be seen, right? So we can or we will be able to visualize this sound, this abstract one, which can only be sensed by our ear by using the current technology, that is Pratt software. So this is the appearance of the website where you can download the Pratt software. So here in this slide, you can see the full analysis of speech in Pratt software. When you import an audio, you will see these two visualization. So the above one, or the waveform, is the visualization of your sound. And then when you zoom in into 10 times, you will see the spectrogram below. In the spectrogram, you will see all 4 properties of speech sound as we have discussed. The blue line, there is the pitch, or you can see the intonation there, the raise and fall of the sound. And then the yellow one here in the middle is the intensity contour. And then the red line below is the formants. And finally, you have duration below the spectrogram. So now you know the physical properties of sound and can see them in the software, right? Now your turn is to use the software on your own in your group and find a sound to be analyzed and then import the file to the Pratt software. So these are the references I use. Now time to work with your group. Good luck all. I will end this explanation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.